we are.
There we are. I personally think I look the best out of the group.
Hey!
Just kidding, Dad.
This is our last night, and everybody kind of turns in early so that they can get their suitcases packed, because all suitcases have to be sitting out in the hallway so they can take them down to the lower decks and have them ready to be put off the ship and onto the building where you pick up your suitcases. It was a 5-day trip, and fortunately, nobody got seasick. We had beautiful weather, and we will love being able to do this again. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.